Hi everybody, this is Pramitha here, and I'm going to do a small flip sort of thing of this ephemera folio that I had been working on in between projects. So this is actually my design team project for Pinkadoo Studio. She has a shop on Etsy. I'll post all the links below, and I have used mostly her collage items because she has quite a few collage items that you can use in your bullet journals, making in a journal, and the quality of the digitals are awesome. And I've used a lot of stuff over here. I had also shared my previous project. So again, I made an ephemera folio folder sort of thing, and I will show you in the next part of this video. I mean, this is going to be just an intro or a flip, and then in the next video I will show you how you can construct something similar, but there are two methods to it. I will show that also, so keep watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, then please do. And of course, please hit the like button. I am totally incompetent at saying things like this, promoting things like this rather. And I would definitely assume if you like it, then you'll definitely hit the like button, because many people are watching, but they are not hitting the like button. Of course, and another thing, please comment below. Tell me what you would like to see, and I can do videos on that according to your requirements. That will be viewers request series that I would like to start. So if you want to see something specific from me, or you want to learn something specific from me, then please comment in the description comment section, so that I can work on that. And that section is going to be, the comment section is open for everybody to comment and write what they would like to see from me, and I will do that accordingly in a playlist sort of thing where it will be viewer request. Okay, so enough of chit chat, and this is the folio folder, whatever you can say, I have done. This is a sari silk that I have tied. So this is constructed out of A4 size paper, and you can use this in the middle of a journal. If you're using it in the middle signature, you can attach this in the middle. Now this is obviously in a traveler's notebook size, the journal is, but if you're making a wider journal, then you can definitely put this in. But I think if you're making a journal like this, and then if you add some ruffles or something of that, then this will be an excellent centerpiece also. Other than that, what you can do is you can insert this inside among your pages. When you're adding the pages, you can insert this, and then you can stitch the journal. I'll show you what I mean. I have a journal half done over here somewhere. Just let me get that. I hope I'm making sense, otherwise okay. I don't know, where did I keep it? Okay, so here I have a journal. This is something I want to put inside a project or folio, so I can put this among the papers, and you will see how it looks if I put this. Of course this is wider, but you can do it otherwise, or you can even, you can put this like so amidst your page. You can pre-make folios like this. You can use book pages also, but I have used tea stained papers. I just have some extra thingies that need to go in, so you can do that, or you can make this into a cover. When you're making a journal, so you can make this into a cover, and this flips up and then this flips out. Here is your journal, and then same thing can happen at the back. So these are very versatile kind of thing that you can use. So what I've done is I have basically made this in a little bit wider. I think this is just above 4 inches, 4.5 I guess. So I just I did just that size, and you can reduce it however you want. So I thought that this would be the perfect size if I want to put this on the cover of some journal. So this is the front, okay, and here is the pocket. I have some journal tag over here. These papers are all from Kerry's Pinkadoo Studio shop. I will post a link to the shop in the description box, and also I have used a bunch of stuff from her shop, so it's best that I post the link and then you can go and see it for yourself. Okay, so I've also added some texture paste. Since at that time I was working with texture paste, I thought I would use some over here. So I've done that, and this is just a fussy cutout from her fussy cut sheets. And this is the middle section, and then this flips open. So what I've done is I've made these into pockets, okay, and you can tweak it to your preference also, but this is how I liked. And then what I've done is these are all from her shop. These are lovely papers, and what I've done is I have torn the little bits and pieces that I had, then I have glued it, and then what I did was I used some Mod Podge, the decoupage glue that I use, which is not Mod Podge but it has the same effect. So I've sealed everything so that it's since I've used scraps of paper, I thought I would do that. Again, I've used some texture paste over here. I hope you can see. I don't know about the lighting because it's super dark over here. It has been raining since yesterday evening, and now it is totally overcast. So again, I have some cool ephemera. You can add your own whatever you like. So I've done that, and here also I have more ephemera, and these pockets are all collaged, and then they have been sealed. Over here, if you notice, these are the clusters that I had done, and what I did was, just to give this a pop, I have added these as accents. So this is again a pocket. We have a journal card, large journal card. This comes still here. These are all from her shop, and then when you close it, here is another journal card. So I will show you how you can construct this. There are two methods to this, and I will show you the first method, this method first, and then I'm going to show you another version of that. So here is another, and you can see I've added a little bit of my clusters, some texture paste, and then this closes up. Again, some texture paste over here, and some little cluster that I had done. This is also a cluster that I had done. I've used that on the cover, some texture paste, and this basically has 8 pockets, but you can obviously make more pockets. You can add 1 pocket over here, or perhaps 2 pockets over here, 2 pockets over here, 2 pockets. So this can go on and go on. It's very flexible idea, and you can keep it standalone pen pal item also, or you can also include that in the journal. So I will be trying to show you 2 versions of this. I will first show you how I made this, and then there will be another version. So keep watching for that. And as I said, I'm basically awful at telling you ladies to subscribe to my channel. I really feel bad, but if you like the video, then please try and hit the like button, and comment below what you would want me to do. I would definitely go and do that, but I already have a job, and there are tons of things that I already have on my plate, so maybe it's going to take a while, but I'll surely get back to that. And I also need to reply to my comments. Thank you ladies for such lovely comments. Cindy, as always, she's a sweetheart. I have no words to say, you know. Cindy, I miss you so much. I wish I could have met you sometime, but life is so difficult. And yeah, so that's that. And since I'm already creating a lot of digikits, you will be able to see a lot of beautiful florals digikits in my shop that I'm planning on uploading. I'm working on watercolor backgrounds also. So let's see how things go. Thank you everybody for watching this, and bye. Have a great day.